is now moved to May 13th. So I hope you guys are still watching. I know you still love it. So thank you so much, guys. Don't miss it. Okay. Gusto niya pa? Meron pa kayo sa kanta. Pero duet pa. So I'm going to invite back on the stage my leading lady.
Thank you for singing with us, guys.
Thank you.
Hey guys, please promote your albums now, guys.
Yes, my album, Read Alert. Please grab a copy. And you can actually buy it here,
Yes,
actually.
Jen, somewhere. And my album also is still available at all the bars nationwide. And syempre, pwede nyo rin i-download yung albums namin sa iTunes.
And of course, don't forget to vote for Nadine Lustre and James Reid on Mix Music Awards, okay? Just log on to mix.ph para sa nagkakaroon.
And yes, also we would like to thank
dalawa lang contestant. Alright? So, I have some playing cards here. And I have here the King and Queen of Hearts. Okay? Of course, you'll be the King. And Nadine, you'll be the Queen. Alright? Simple lang ang gagawin natin dito. Alright? Napakasimple lang. This is what we call, of course, yung pass the card. But, you cannot use your hands. You cannot use your... Ang gagamitin nyo lang dito, kayong dalawa lang. So, ang mangyayari, ganito lang, okay? Ganito lang. James, we have to suck the card. Ilalagay mo lang sa kamay ni Kito. Alright? Ilalagay mo lang sa kamay ni Kito. Then after malagay ng Kito, ikaw naman magpapas kay James, and then ilalagay ni James sa may hand ko. Bawal pumatak. Pag pumatak, ulit. Bawal malaglag. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Pero may challenge. May challenge na konti. Hindi pwede magkalapit ka agad kayo. So, parang James, dito ka, stay here. And then Nadine, nandiyan ka. And then kailangan lalakad ng konti para maipasa. Alright? Okay. James will go first. Okay? Okay? So, si James sa tao na, ipapasa niya sa'yo, you have to get it ha. Kailangan makuha mo, no hands, bawal hawakan. Pag hinawakan ulit, tapos kailangan ka tumalikod para ilagay sa kamay ni Kito. Alright? Pakor, are you ready? James, Nadine, are you ready?
Pwedeng tumingala.
Ano na?
Pwedeng tumingala.
Very, very light, pero ano, kung yung sobrang tingala, kailangan, ayan. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? And the game begins in 3, kailangan nakaganon si Kito. Kailangan hindi kukunin ni Kito. Kailangan ikaw maglalagay kay Kito. So, James, one more. One more, ready? And the game begins in 3. Go! There. Okay.
Good job.
Ngayon naman, Nadine, it's your turn. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
effort.
Yeah.
Kayo talaga tayo.
Nadine! Guys, round of applause for Nadine for the effort.
Thank you guys.
Right? Good job.
So, ang nanalo is si James Reed.
Pero they're both winners.
Oo, pareho silang panalo, of course.
Okay, we just want to say thank you to SM Bacoor and SM Moss. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you guys.
Hope you enjoyed the show.
And after the show, don't forget, after this, ready nyo na yung mga CDs nyo. Make sure tanggalin nyo sa plastic, ha? Yung CDs niya, alright? So ready nyo lang yung box nyo and also your phones and your cameras, alright?
Also, Fire Selfless Romantic in theaters May
May 13
13.
na po yan. So